throughout the pinipili natin at nabibigyan din natin ang ating mga manunood ng choice na panoorin ang tao. Katulad na lamang na you have been teaching kids for a long time.
Let's make it about 30 years and talking.
30 years, imagine, wala ka pang mga baby eh.
Exactly. Pero actually, from part of the idea family, nung dami na ako, because choosing educational programs for those good for our children. And it's important to teach them that learning is fun.
It is. Oh, okay.
Ako, I'm proud of Macy too. Kasi kita stories about this. And gusto namin, makakuluhan ng mga bata. Everyone in general, yung kakalagahan para mas makilito. And with that, magiging mas natural din ang pag-protect.
What's common about you, I think, is that we all stick to facts. Science, nature, children, at ang facts na naman. Kami halimbawa sa facts ko. Nasakabahan pa rin kami. Hindi kami gumagawa ng mga usap-usapan lang para mabigay ng opinion. We focus on brilliant celebrity stories. We do interviews na we always hope na sana kami nakakalis.
Yes, that's exactly what I always want to say. Lagi sila natin magbigay ng mga programa, mga pagluhan para sa mga manunood. Hindi sa lahat eh, mga programa na makakatulog sa loob.
That's what the needs serve.
Good. Our slogan says that matuto, makuha,
Be one.
第一，我靠，三在Passport 我也会的。I believe that there is zero. Bersama dengan TV Foundation, National Council for Children's Television, World Wildlife Fund Philippines, Office of Civil Defense, 15 Entertainment Forum, 15 Women's Heroes.